Zoology Zone asked us to come and be a part of their Be a Zoologist Day for their kids camp, we were thrilled. These kind of community partnerships is exactly what the education team does at West Virginia Public Broadcasting. And so it was just a pleasure to be here to work with the kids, to bring our Wild Kratts programming from PBS Kids, and to see all the animals. These kind of events bring learning to life, and that is exactly part of our mission and our goals at West Virginia Public Broadcasting. So we hope to continue these kind of relationships because it's just doing good things for the state of West Virginia.
Our mission at the Zoology Zone Science Center is truly to inspire wildlife and environmental conservation through education. And the way that we do that is through immersive learning, hands-on type experiences like this, like our camp. But even when we're open to the general public, it's very important for us to be hands-on and show science in real-world practical applications. We have two main rules. One is to have fun, and two is to accidentally learn. So that's why it's so important that we do these exhibits that are hands-on. We bring the animals out for people to learn about and let them pet and experience, really make it an experience. That's what truly drives that learning.